Hi everybody, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new 2019 Lacrosse 3399 SE. Now this is a new floor plan, but it's an old floor plan. Lacrosse used to do it in a model called the 330, but now they've kind of revamped it, changed some things, and it was gone for a year, but now it's back, called the 3399. So we'll start right here at the front. There's tons to see in this unit, so we'll dive right in. First, you're going to see the nice 3/4 cap, new look this year from Lacrosse. Two 30-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks. You got the new dog leash, pet ring, whatever you want to call it. Front storage bay, it's a little bit smaller in this one because of the bed slide, and I'm going to show you why that kind of changes the storage on this unit a little bit. But we'll keep heading back. So dual power awnings, huge feature. So the entire trailer is basically covered. So this one's got the outside kitchen at the back. So you got the big fridge, a little bit of cabinetry and lighting, and then they actually build a barbecue in for you, as opposed to just seeing the 2-burner stove that a lot of units have. And they even throw a little bottle opener on there as well. But yeah, that's about it for the outside. Let's head on in. On the entryway, solid stamp steps, new for Lacrosse as well. So these guys just fold right in. And these are something that you can add aftermarket as well, but a lot of newer models are starting to come with them. But they actually make contact with the ground, so they're nice and stable. All right, so welcome inside. So this is one of my favorite couples layouts, and I'll show you a little bit about why. So first thing, you walk in, you have the nice freestanding dinette. Lacrosse, what they do with their table is they don't have a central pedestal. So a taller guy like myself, I can actually sit there and have the leg room that I need rather than a big kind of wooden, pedestal in the middle of the table. Big entertainment unit, big TV, electric fireplace. Okay, fold-out sofa bed at the back. So this is a full-on hide-a-bed. Residential furniture, they call it. Theater seating. So those are both recliners. Nice upgrade for Lacrosse this year as well, as they're doing the pull-down blackout blinds for everywhere in the unit. Pan it over to the kitchen. Nice big island, stone countertops, big stainless steel sink underneath. Big electric fridge, okay? 3-burner cooktop, all high output. So they'll get nice and hot for you. Convection microwave, tons of storage, lots of room for pots and pans and everything. Pantry. Okay. Lots of storage. And then you might not have caught it, but this light here is actually on a motion sensor. So you can set it to just be on all the time, off, or on motion sensing. And it's same for the ones in the washroom here. So you see as you walk in, they turn on themselves. So nice little touch, save some power. Washroom, you got the nice big radius sink. They've even got a little towel rack for you. Skylight, fan, vanity, little medicine cabinet even. And we'll check out the master bedroom. All right, so welcome to the master suite. You got sliding door into your ensuite, okay? Sliding door here as well, save some space so there's no doors kind of flipping and opening and blocking people off. You got the nice big RV King mattress, okay? And now there is exterior storage underneath the bed as well to kind of compensate for what you're losing in the front of the front pass-through storage. And then there's of course storage underneath as well. So nice kind of chest of drawers kind of thing. Big reach-in closet. So this will actually come up here. So you can use that as a laundry chute or however you want to get to, or however you want to use your storage basically. And then right down here, there are plugins as well as USB chargers. Must have, right? So I think that about does it for the Lacrosse 3399. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and I'll catch you next time. Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about one other feature on the Lacrosses. So we do call this kind of more of a fifth wheel feature, the universal docking center. So on all Lacrosse models, on kind of the backside pass-through storage area, which are slam latch doors by the way, they do have your docking center. So this is all your outside hookups all in one spot. Everything stays nice and clean. You can lock everything up. Nothing will be tampered with, disconnected, or anything like that. For your water fill-ups, you just kind of pop this cork here, and then you can feed your water hose through there. This is your outside shower. Comes with the standard blue hose. Battery disconnect. You got your TV hookups, your black tank flush for cleaning out your sewer, and then your solar prep in here as well. So everything's kind of nice and neat, everything stays clean, super easy to get to. And yeah, I just wanted to run you through that. I'll catch you next time. This is Mike from Arcan Trailer.